Looking for the best gas weed eaters? In this video we look at some of the top 3 gas weed eaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. Number 3. Ryobi, 25cc 2-cycle straight gas weed eater. Pros: starts quickly and provides enough power to mow down weeds with ease. Accommodates attachments. Decent price. Long life. Cons: a bit on the heavy side. Bottom line: versatile, durable trimmer that is easier to wield and modify as needed. Number 2. Remington, 16-inch gas string trimmer. Pros: the dual line on this string trimmer can be extended with a quick squeeze of a trigger and a bump on the ground. It uses 0.095-inch line for greater durability and more rugged cutting. Cons: this model may vibrate a bit more than some of the higher-priced trimmer options. Bottom line: highly affordable weed eater, features a curved shaft for greater control and better balance. Number 1. Husqvarna, 17-inch gas string trimmer. Pros: this powerful weed eater weighs only 11 pounds. It features intuitive controls and a tap-and-go trimmer line release. The convenient translucent fuel tank lets you see exactly how much fuel you have left. Cons: you may need to spend a little time learning how to tweak this model for optimum performance. Bottom line: a lightweight, straight shaft, gas-powered string trimmer designed to deliver maximum reach. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.